Because I'm scared. I don't want to drop it. Gosh. Oh my god. Oh, are you serious? Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I have such an exciting video today. I am unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The day I'm recording this, it is Christmas for me. Not for you guys, but Merry Christmas anyways. Happy holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. We're gonna be unboxing her today. It is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color Pacific Blue. This is 256 gigs. So we're just gonna open it, unbox it, see what it has. I have some accessories that I have unboxed too. We're gonna put the screen protector in the case on. We're gonna accessorize it. So if you wanna see me unbox, accessorize, and set up the iPhone 12 Pro Max, keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna move over to my desk so that you guys can see better, because I don't wanna drop it. Okay, it's my first day with it. I'll see you guys at my desk. Okay guys, so we are at my desk now, and it's time to do the unboxing. So in this bag, you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the phone. Then I also have my case, my charging brick, and my screen protector. So we'll just put that over here. I really need a new phone. I'll insert something of my old phone here, but it was bad. It was really, really bad. Let me just unbox it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so excited. Okay. This doesn't want to come out. Alright. That's not the time. Come on. Help. Oh my god. There it is, guys. Oh my god. Look how beautiful it is. Okay. Pick it up. Here it is. This is the back. The sides, I like that. Yeah, that fingerprint magnet that everyone's always talking about. Okay. Oh my god. It's so big compared to my ex, to be honest. So. Okay, leave that over here for now. Okay, now you can definitely see better. Is it crooked? Okay, now you can definitely see. So here's the phone, and then in the box we just have the stickers and the SIM card thing, which I'm gonna need. Stickers and stuff like that, but we'll deal with that in a second. And then the only thing in here is the cord. That's why I got the fast charger adapter. So, oh my god, I am so excited. Let's just take all this out. We'll deal with the rest of this later. Oh my god, no one ever showed this. It has like an indent for the camera in the box. The camera is so big. Okay, I think I'm gonna put, let's turn it on. Oh my god, I got dust all over it from my shirt. Alright, let's just turn it on. Let's just turn it on. Alright, oh my god, hello. Actually, you know what? Let's set it up. I mean, let's put on the stuff, because I'm scared. I don't want to drop it. I don't want anything to happen to it. And it does kind of rock, because the cameras are so big. So, these are my screen protectors. This is a pack of 4. I'll have a link to all the stuff that I got from my phone down below, if you want to check it out. Okay, use the wet wipe to remove any dirt on the screen. Use the dry wipe, and then dab the sticker side of the dust absorber. Okay. So what we have to do first is we have to take the wet wipe and wipe it down. Then we gotta take the dry wipe and then wipe off the screen. Now we have to use the sticker, the dust absorber sticker. everything is gone. Is to take this screen protector and then take off the tab. Alright. Now it says to align the ports and then press in the middle. It's so hard to see because the screen is black. So I gotta push out the, of course this bubbles. Hold on, let me get a card. Forever 21 gift card. Oh, they're gone. Yeah, once you use this, they're literally gone. Okay. So there's the screen protector. It's on correctly. Okay, let's put all this away and then we will do the case. This is my case. It's a shock-proof case. I need a protective case because I drop my phone a lot. Oh my god, 1 second.
Trying to record your unboxings, you have a guest now.
You know what? Goodbye. Okay, hold on. I gotta unbox the case, man. The case is huge. The phone is huge. Okay, I have to follow the installation guide. Okay, so it says to pry open this and then snap the case into the front of my phone. Oh, this is gonna be hard. How am I supposed to take this off? Forget this. Oh, it's just on the.
You goofed.
Oh my gosh.
You goofed.
Oh my god. Oh, are you serious? So what I did was I forgot to take off the casing and I had to put in the SIM card for my old phone. So you know what? I'll be back when I have this together.
A few moments later.
Let's try this again. All right. I'm gonna take this off. And then I gotta put the SIM card and I have to get it on this phone over here. So, I'll be back. Now this phone is literally huge. I have the case on it now. Okay, let's actually set this up now. I put the SIM card in. Y'all see that, right? Okay, I put the SIM card in. Okay, so we have the Apple ID going. It's setting up. It's a few minutes. Okay, while this is setting up, I'm gonna show you guys the power brick. Not that y'all care, but I mean, someone might. So let's unbox this. It's not much, it's just a power brick. And then you have this. Right, close it like that. And that's it. I'm gonna leave this on for right now because I don't want nobody's fingerprints. By fingerprints, I mean my fingerprints to get on it yet. It's still so new. Okay guys, welcome to iPhone. Oh, why did, now it's scaring me. Oh my god, so dramatic. Oh my god. Alright. 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 I have to download all my apps on. Stop it! I have to download all my apps on here, but this is the phone. This is the phone. All done. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with it. I really need a new phone. By this time in the video, I probably already inserted videos of my old phone, but it was bad. This is amazing. Okay guys, so that is it for my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. I hope you got some type of information or entertainment out of this video. I know I sure enjoyed this. I am in love with my new phone and I will continue to be using it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'm really trying to start to make better videos, and this will definitely help. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.